know that the worst thing that happens to every content creator is when you wake up in the morning, you refresh your analytics, your views are still low. No matter how hard you try, no matter how you edit your videos, the content, the titles, everything, you still see your video very, very low. What if I tell you, you are the reason your videos are not getting views? Yes, you are the one practically killing your viral videos because of something that you failed to do the right way. Setting your channel keyword the right way is the best thing you can do for your channel. It's actually killing your videos. The wrong keywords you place on your channel setting is the one holding your channel down. After creating the content, the editing, put your thumbnails, your titles, everything is perfect, yet your videos will not get views. Even when you embark on trending, try to create something that is trending, your niche, yet your videos will not still get views because you give YouTube the wrong address to the people to submit your video to. What if you have given YouTube the wrong address on where to submit your videos to? The reason you are struggling on YouTube is because you have failed to activate the right setting, getting the right keyword. You have been placing your keyword based on assumption. That is how you have been placing your keyword, and this is slowly killing your views, slowly killing your channel, slowly killing you also mentally. You can agree with me that the moment you wake up in the morning, the first thing that goes to your mind is to go and check your video. The moment you go to your analytics and refresh your analytics, you still see the same view the way it is. Everything is still stuck. It can be so annoying. But what if I tell you, you are the one practically turning your potential viral videos into flop? You are the one killing your videos. You are the one holding your channel down because you failed to do one simple setting. I know what will be going to your mind is like another setting here, setting there. There are different type of setting on YouTube, but there is a major setting, and that major setting is your channel keyword. If you did not set your channel keyword, YouTube find it difficult to know who your video is for, who to serve your video, and what your channel is all about. Your testing stage becomes so long and so slow if you did not give YouTube clear understanding. Then the worst part of it is that when you give YouTube the wrong address, the wrong keyword for your channel, you find out that your channel will struggle. The YouTube will start submitting your videos to the wrong people, giving an 85-year-old man that listens to health tips, entertainment, and every other things, morning prayers. You send your videos to those kind of people, they won't watch your videos, and that is what kills views here on YouTube. Once YouTube detects that people are not watching your video, YouTube silence your video, and no matter what you create on that content, no matter the value you place, everything becomes irrelevant. So these simple settings held my channel down for more than 6 good months, and right inside me I was like, my channel setting, anytime I hear anybody advising on certain channel setting, I always tell myself that my channel setting is already set. I have all the keywords complete, everything is perfect. Little did I know that the keywords I place on my channel setting is the ones slowly killing my channel. It's the one that is holding my views down for more than 6 good months, until I decide to make one adjustment, which I want to show you how to go about it on your channel. If you stick around this video from beginning to the end, this is the little sacrifice you can make for your channel to start getting views. You can make for your channel and your videos, you give them chance to start performing very well. I'm going to give you a bonus tip. After this video, I'm going to give you one viral promotion that you do on your video. The moment you finish this video, I want you to go back to your channel, go and do exactly what I show you on this place. Even if you have set your channel setting already, delete everything there, do exactly what I told you on this video, and you are going to thank me later. So these are the keywords that's on my settings. These keywords must represent what I'm creating. It must represent what my channel is all about. So every keyword here must be what my channel is all about. And if you look at this keyword, you will see that my name is here, my channel name is here, and also have the SEO keywords, all the keywords that's connected to what I teach. I teach how to get 1,000 subscribers, how to get 4,000 watch hours, everything that you need to talk about YouTube growth. I teach them here, and those keywords must be present at this place. So this is what determines or decide whether you get views on YouTube or not. So this is very, very important. And so the next thing we do is that let's go straight to the YouTube to get the perfect keyword we need for this place. Go to the comment section. I want you to pick some people that create what you like watching. Watch their video, comment on their video, and subscribe to their channel. Let's help each other. Okay, how you get the perfect channel keyword for your channel setting is you go to YouTube, click on YouTube. Now let's say my channel is YouTube growth. This is YouTube growth. This is one of the biggest creators on my niche. You go to the biggest creators on your niche. That is where you get the keyword. So some people may tell you to just pick their videos. So you go to their channel direct. These three dots up here, you click on it. Once you share the video, you click the link, copy the link. So you head straight to Chrome. You come to this place. So you type here www.metadata. You click on it. Okay, this is it here. That link we collected, you come to this place and place it. This is the link. You submit. Look at it. Glory C. We use Glory C. Look at it. This is the channel keyword this Glory C used on her channel setting. This is it. So with this keyword, as long as you are in the same niche with her, I'm not saying you should come to Glory C. I said go to people in your niche. I'm showing you this. This is how you get your keyword. Go to people in your niche, the people that are creating the same content you are creating, and they are doing well. So you go to their channels. What I'll do is that I will long click here, I'll long press it, then I'll copy the keyword. So I will go to ChatGPT. Don't go and paste it direct to your channel. Don't do it like that. So go to ChatGPT, click here. I'll paste the keyword here. So these are the keywords we collected. I'll go back again. So you just pick like 2 people on that niche, 2 big creators on that niche. So we are through with this one. Let's go to another person. Let me look for another big creator like that again. Okay, let's use this one. So go straight to her channel. Don't use their video, use their channel. So I'll click on these 3 dots here. I'll click share. Copy link. Then I'll go to metadata. So I'll place the link here. The link is here. Submit. Okay, look at her channel here. Creative Care. This is her channel. This is the keyword she used on her channel setting. So what you do is just long press it like this. Once you long press it, you copy it again. Go back to the ChatGPT where we paste the former one. It's here. So just give small space. Then I'll put another one. Paste another one here. So I've already pasted another one. Then I will now tell ChatGPT to help me select the relevant keyword from these keywords. So I will say, help me make it below 500. Make it below 500. Why I say make it below 500? If it's more than 500, you cannot save it. So this is it. You've brought it in copy and paste. Click on this place. Once you click, you have copied it. You go straight to your channel setting. So you go to youtube.studio.com. Search. Okay. Click here. Come to this place. Let me zoom it a bit. So you click on this setting here. The keyword we copy from ChatGPT, we just come and paste it here. If you paste it here, you have already given YouTube everything they need to know about your video. There is no doubt again about your video. Because the bonus tip I talk about is that the moment you come up with video idea after filming your video, creating your content, and the next thing is to talk about title. And we all know that title and thumbnail is everything that help your video get click at first place. Then before you now know whether people watch it or not. So what you should do, don't guess your title or don't guess your thumbnail. So what you should do is that the moment you bring up that idea, you go to YouTube search bar, you place that idea on that YouTube search bar. YouTube will generate videos that have created such content. Don't pick from big YouTubers. It gets why. Those big YouTubers, they already have history, they have data, they have audience, they have subscribers. People already know them. So even when they are combing their head, if they upload their video, people will still watch it. So don't pick from them. You pick from the small creators as well. Let's say those ones that still have low subscribers, but their video perform well. So you pick from them. What you pick is that you pick the exact title they use, and also you recreate their thumbnail. You copy their thumbnail, you steal their thumbnail, but recreate their thumbnail. So use the same formula and start seeing changes on your channel after placing the right channel keyword, and also using this method that I told you now. You're going to thank me later. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe to this channel. See you when next I see you. Bye bye.